Hamilton Beach 49976 FlexBrew Trio 2-way coffee maker, compatible with K-cup pods or grounds. Combo, single serve and full 12C pot. Black about this item 3 ways to brew. Brew up to 12 cups with ground coffee on the carafe side or use dual-purpose single serving to brew a pod or ground coffee on the other. The included pod holder and single-serve grounds basket easily handle both options. Single cup coffee maker. Brew a cup with a K-cup, pod, another pod brand, or ground coffee. The included pod holder and single-serve grounds basket easily handle both options and the cup rest removes so you can brew into a tall travel mug. Brew a full pot of coffee. This programmable coffee maker has easy touch programming for wake-up ready coffee. After brewing, coffee stays warm for 2 hours and the power automatically shuts off. Auto pause and pour lets you pour a cup as coffee brews. Customize your brew strength. Control how strong you want your coffee with Select-a-Brew. Regular and bold brewing options. 2 separate easy fill water reservoirs. Each brewing side on this Hamilton Beach coffee maker has its own water reservoir that's easy to fill and features a water window, so you always know exactly how much water to add. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.